Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about bag charms. Are you guys team bag charms, or do you think it's totally tacky and really juvenile? And I will tell you that I am definitely a bag charm girl. I have been for a very long time. Back in the day, I feel like the big popular ones were like these poofs and things like that. I mean, I even had this. I had this and I put this on one of my bags for a long time, but like this one I really liked. This one is okay. I think it's even real fur, but I do feel like bag charms have kind of evolved over the years, and I do feel like they're getting a lot more classy now, if you can call it classy. So LOEWE has been coming out with these really adorable bag charms, and I will say they are astronomically priced, totally unreasonable in price, and one that I would probably never get and buy with my own money because it's so expensive. And I wanted to show you the bag charms that I use to adorn my handbags, and I do think it's such a great way to really freshen up your handbags. The first two I'm going to show you are two handbags which I think are really classy and very classic, but I think if you really want to freshen it up and make it a little bit more fun, a little bit more interesting, and reflect some of your personality, this is a really great way of making an otherwise very classic or basic handbag into something a little bit more special and just, again, represent your personality a lot more. Now, I think this probably falls under the tacky category, but I am a SANRIO girl, and I think like the Neverfull especially, or this kind of like, there's a lot of surface area, it's pretty basic in design, there's not a whole lot of design elements going on. I think this is a really perfect way of displaying your bag charm, and this is like My Melody, this is Karopi. I think the colorways really go together very well, and I think this is a really fun way to freshen up a bag. As a matter of fact, this bag, especially my Givenchy, it's like a denim bag, and it says Givenchy on it. It's an otherwise pretty basic handbag, but once I put on My Melody, it really changed the bag for me. It really made it into something so much more fun, really refreshing, and one that I was excited to carry more. So I really do think it can change your handbag and vibe. It's a really nice way of not only freshening up your handbag, but just changing it without getting a new handbag altogether. So yes, this definitely falls in the tacky category potentially, but it definitely reflects my personality because I love Sanrio.
1 hour later.
Okay, sorry, we're back. I don't know where I left off, but I know I was showing you my handbag charms. I'm going from tacky to classy, and I showed you my Sanrio one, so we're gonna go a little bit classier, one step below tacky, okay? Okay, so I qualify this as one step below tacky. Now, this is my Mulberry handbag. This is a convertible to a backpack. It's one of my most complimented bags when I travel, and you've got the backpack straps here, which you can take off and you can make it into a shoulder bag or crossbody. It's one of the most versatile handbags ever because it's Mulberry. I've always loved the Thomas Bear Burberry bag charms, but honestly, I can't spend the money on that either, so I opted for the Harrods Bear, and this is just a keychain from the Harrods store in London that I got, and I use it as a bag charm, and look how adorable it is. But because it's Mulberry, it's a British brand, and the little teddy bear from Harrods, which I think is iconic for Harrods, I thought it was a perfect fit. Even though it's a little bit juvenile still, it's a little bit less juvenile than the Sanrio charms, I feel like. So that's this one. Okay, so this one is my Burberry bag, and this is a little sheep charm I got recently on Etsy. Now, the reason I got this was because, again, going back to LOEWE, like they have been killing it with their bag charms, and I've absolutely been loving their little animal charms. And a lot of them are felt. Anyway, I got this on Etsy because I just thought it was so adorable. Now, when it came much bigger than I had anticipated. It actually fits in the palm of my hand. So it's definitely bigger, much bigger than any of the LOEWE charms that are out now, but I thought it was so cute. It's from New Zealand. It's made from real sheep, made from like a small artist, and I just thought like this is so cute. But I put it with this Burberry bag just because, I don't know, Burberry makes a lot of cashmeres and wools, and so I just thought it was appropriate. So this was like me inching towards like, how do I get a LOEWE charm that's really cute and adorable and still keep it classy? This was my attempt. I don't know that it really passes for classy, but it's still cute nonetheless. Okay, so now these two bag charms are also from Etsy, from individual artists who just make their own, hand make their own bag charms. So this is what I thought is so cute. And this is what, again, me trying to get the LOEWE look without the price point. So I don't know, let me know what you think. I'll start with this one first. So this one is my Speedy Bee 25. And now this is what I mean. This is a little tiny charm of a bee, and it's so cute. Like this really is as tiny as the LOEWE bag charms are, and it's made of real wool, and this is from Ireland, and this is from like an Etsy seller. So I thought this is so cute, and there's a lot going on with this bag just because not only the monogram, but because I did the monogram, I feel like there's a lot going on, so I didn't want to put like a big bag charm on it, so I opted for this tiny little thing, and I think it's cute. Okay, I think the stripes of the bee kind of go with the stripes of the monogram, and I just think it's cute. It's a little something to brighten up the bag a bit. It's a little something that really adds a little bit more personality. So this, I feel like, hit the LOEWE look a little bit better than my sheep one. So along that same order, I also, it's too much, okay. So this is, again, like this is a little bit bigger than I anticipated it was going to be, but it's totally fine because I think this looks really good with this handbag. This is, again, from Etsy, from a different seller, and this I thought was so cute. I mean, like, how cute is this guy? I don't know what he is. He's either a bunny or a reindeer or something. He's wearing a little crossbody. I mean, I just thought it was so cute. And it went perfectly with this LOEWE bag. So I'm like, this makes it a different bag. I'm telling you, it just makes it a different bag. And again, I think this is a little bit one step closer towards classy, a little bit less tacky, if you will. So this is definitely a little adorable addition to my LOEWE bag, and I think the colors really go well together too. Very complimentary. Okay, but the classiest bag charm of all is this one, okay? This is my Alma BB, and this is like the old school bag charm of having this chain. I'm sorry, you can't get anything that I have seen on Etsy or really any other retailer with this kind of bag charm that gives this kind of aesthetic. This is jewelry on a bag. I've said it a million times, and I really do believe it. But it really just kicks it up a notch. And if you want to call a bag charm classy, I think this is classy. I also think, again, LOEWE has been doing their bag charms really classy. I especially love, like, not only the little felt animal ones, but I really love, and I didn't know about it until I saw Jessie Styles' video, where they had the little hedgehogs, and they're little hedgehog pins, but you have to buy them for specific LOEWE bags that have the perforations and the holes so that you can attach it to. I think that idea is so brilliant. It's a very specific thing to a very specific bag, and it wouldn't work with all bags, of course, but I love the idea of it, and it's so fun and cool. So I think that's another classy way of having bag charms to adorn your bags. But again, this is very much a very classy way of jazzing up your bag, and not being juvenile or childish. I don't know, so let me know your thoughts. Are bag charms totally dated? Are bag charms totally juvenile or tacky? You obviously know where I stand on this topic, so I'd love to know your thoughts on this very serious topic. And let me know if you have any LOEWE bag charms. Those are the ones that I really, really love right now, and I think are just so playful and just done in a really clean way that I absolutely love. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you would hit the thumbs up button. That would really help my small channel out. If you want to binge watch any of my other videos, you can do that here, and I will see you next time. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is much lighter. I've been feeling inspired, and one of the things I wanted to do was just change something, and I was like, what better way to change than change your hair? So my vision is that I'm gonna go blonde, or mostly blonde, and like a beige blonde. And I don't know if this is showing you the exact color of my hair, but I'll throw in some video that I took at home of my hair to reflect the actual color in real life, but I don't think you can tell from here. But it's gonna take a few months, so when I do my touch-ups in a few months, I'll be doing more parts of my hair so it's even blonder, but I'm going for like a beige blonde. I felt like that was a good change that I need, and I'm excited for the next few months to kind of see this evolve and change.